There are very few people as sacrificial, caring, and selfless as my mom.
Sound asleep, Mom and Clay.
From the day I was born, she's been my biggest fan. Whether it was sports, school, or whatever other shenanigans I got into. I do apologize for the many times I'm sure I tested your patience.
He's a wild man.
She taught me to serve when no one else is looking, to choose faith in times of suffering, and to care for those in need.
What's in there?
She's the reason I try new things, love adventure, and choose experiences over material gifts. Happy Mother's Day to the one who's usually behind the camera.
Practicing.
I guess I got that from her too. Love you, Mom.
What were you asking Mommy about Nancy? Happy birthday. My Easter egg. Is yours ready, Grant? Yeah. So take them out. Grant.
Hey, he was 1 year old yesterday.